And honestly, I kind of like put it on the back burner because I realized that it's not my main priority right now.
In this sentence alone, Veronica shows a native-like command of various aspects of the language. She uses discourse markers, she understands when it's a good idea to use idiomatic expressions, her pronunciation is clear and correct, she uses a great deal of connected speech, and she mixes verb tenses like a pro. Don't miss this opportunity to learn with this amazing English learner. Today's lesson, in addition to helping you master a lot of useful vocabulary and fluent pronunciation, will help you to overcome your fear of speaking English. And if you are new here, every week we bring you new lessons that help you to understand fast native speech without getting lost, without missing the jokes, and without subtitles. Like Siti, who says that now he really can understand the humor. We're here to help you to reach your English learning goals too, but we can only do that if you hit the subscribe button and the bell down below so that you don't miss our new lessons. Veronica told me that something she likes to do to improve her English is creating an English environment, or immersion, by listening to podcasts, watching TV in English, reading, etc. Here, I ask her if she does the same for the other languages she's learned.
As for Chinese, as for French, right now I don't really have that much time, and honestly, I kind of like put it on the back burner because I realized that it's not my main priority right now. Like if I feel like it, I can do a little bit of French, maybe like listen to a French song or like, I don't know. But usually right now I don't practice French that much. As for Chinese, it's something that I have to do to graduate. So obviously I have to read a lot. Like in my program, we really have to be able to read like complicated texts in Chinese. So this is what I try to focus all my attention on. As for Chinese, as for French.
When used at the beginning of a sentence, as far as means with reference to. It's similar to as for, which she also says in this clip.
As for Chinese, it's something that I have to do to graduate, so...
Note that as far as is more informal than as for. Also, as far as is often used within the longer phrase, as far as something is concerned. For example, he has no worries as far as money is concerned. Here, this phrase means with regard to or about. Take a look at the following examples. As far as bilingual education is concerned, the schools are not doing a good enough job. As far as I'm concerned, the book fails to address the issue clearly. In this example, as far as I'm concerned means in my opinion.
As for Chinese, as for French, right now I don't really have that much time.
The word that can be used in different ways. Veronica here uses an advanced meaning of this word. If you say that in sentences like, I don't have that much time. I wanted a ticket, but I didn't know it was that expensive. It intensifies the meaning of the word or phrase that comes after it.
Sometimes these tests or textbooks, they teach you more academic or formal English. So then when you're actually using it out in the real world, it's maybe not that helpful to you. So definitely you need a variety.
And honestly, I kind of like put it on the back burner because I realized that it's not my main priority right now.
A burner is one of the round parts on the top of a stove that produces heat. The idiomatic expression, put something on the back burner, means to delay doing something until a later time because you do not consider it to be important or it is not possible at the time. Example, they put filming the movie on the back burner when COVID hit, but now they're resuming. Now let's take a deeper look into how she says this sentence.
And honestly, I kind of like put it on the back burner because I realized that it's not my main priority right now.
Oftentimes, of gets reduced to a schwa sound, so she says kind of as kinda. Then she links the words in put it on and turns those T's into flap T's, so it sounds like put it on.
I kind of like put it on the back burner. like if I feel like it, I can do a little bit of French.
If you say feel like doing something, it means you're inclined or have the desire to do it. Example, do you feel like having pizza tonight? Of course, feel like is also used literally, like in, I feel like my English has improved. Can you notice in which of the following 3 clips feel like is used with the meaning of to have the desire to do something?
I feel like all of my British cultural education comes from watching The Crown, so. Yeah. Another word I feel like we'd use a lot in this situation might be awkward.
It's like being a runner, for example. It's like I run 3 times a week and I don't feel like it most mornings, but I put on my shoes and I walk out the door and I do it. It's like being a runner, for example. It's like I run 3 times a week and I don't feel like it most mornings, but I put on my shoes and I walk out the door and I do it.
Is it important for you to be able to understand natives just like we speak in real life without getting lost or missing the meaning? Well, a great way to practice is by listening to podcasts. And you can listen to the full interview with Veronica and other teachers and experts for free anywhere you enjoy podcasts. However, what I would recommend is that you download the free Real Life English app and listen there. Why? Because it is the only place where you can get full transcripts for the episodes and definitions of the vocabulary. This will help you to train your ears to understand natives even at fast speeds. And that's not all. You will also improve your speaking and overcome your fear, because this is the only place that by simply touching a button, you can practice your English anytime, anywhere, in a safe and supportive environment. Plus, you will discover new cultures and make English speaking friends. I bet this all sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, now with the Real Life English app, it is true. So download the app for free by searching for Real Life English in the Apple app or Google Play Store, or just click here or in the description below. I'd be curious too, how did you do that at the start? You said you used to go to language clubs. Were there other things that you did to kind of create your tribe of English learners or people who got you on that?
It was only when I moved to Moscow, like 5 years ago. But first, when I was still in middle school or in high school, it was really hard for me because I was trying to learn English. I was like constantly doing something, and a lot of my classmates didn't really understand me. They were like, why are you studying? Like, you should go party and not study. And I just really liked it. I was like, but guys, it's so fun, you know? You can watch so many things in English instead of like dubbed in Russian. And so they didn't understand me. And at first, it really hurt me because I was a teenager. I was like, oh my God, I don't have any friends. No one understands me. But then when I moved to Moscow, I realized that like happiness is in my hands, right? I should do something about it. I shouldn't wait for other people to bring me joy or happiness or understand me. So I was like, okay, I need to find like a group of like-minded friends. And then this was when I was starting to look for English speaking clubs. And actually we have one in my university. It was completely free. So if you're a student, you can go there. It's completely free. You can talk to people in English, and I just enjoyed so much because all of the people who came there, they loved English and they understood me. So yeah, it was really something that helped me boost my confidence.
One of the things Veronica most attributes her English learning success to is attending English speaking clubs. This is not the first time I've heard a fluent English speaker say this. Have you ever attended an event where you could practice your English with fellow learners? Take a moment and share your experience and how you found it with your fellow learners. You could really help someone to improve their speaking. You said you used to go to language clubs? Were there other things that you did to kind of create your tribe of English learners or people who got you on that? If you look up tribe on Google Images, you'll see pictures of indigenous people. Nowadays, we use this term to refer to the group of people you surround yourself with. As an English learner, it's important to have this sense of tribe or community because learning English while surrounding yourself with people who have the same interests is more fun and effective.
I was like constantly doing something, and a lot of my classmates didn't really understand me. They were like, why you're studying? Like, you should go party and not study.
Another way in which we use the word like is as a synonym of to say. This is informal, but common and colloquial.
And like, they're gonna be like, what? And like, you speak Hungarian, no one speaks Hungarian, you're not like, and they were like, what? Okay. And
we often say, and then I was like, to describe what we were thinking at that moment.
I did regret about that, like for a very long time. I was like, damn, I lost this opportunity.
And I just really liked it. I was like, but guys, it's so fun, you know? You can watch so many things in English instead of like dubbed in Russian.
If a movie or TV show is dubbed, it is changed to a new language by replacing the voice of the actors. Most people would agree that if you're learning English, it is better to avoid dubbed movies and TV shows. It is much better to use subtitles, even if you're at a level where you need subtitles in your own language. Later, you can switch to English subtitles and eventually to watching a TV show or movie without subtitles.
So I was like, okay, I need to find like a group of like-minded friends.
Like-minded people are people that like the same things you do or have the same interests.
You might need to chat in English. So, that's a very clear example of, and then you have forums that you can go online, or you have like-minded people.
Talk to people in English, and I just enjoyed so much because all of the people who came there, they loved English and they understood me. So yeah, it was really something that helped me boost my confidence.
Boost means to increase or improve something and make it more successful.
And they were so excited for me. They gave me, usually they told me in English because they knew when they started to speak in French, my eyes just went, but just any kind of kindness that they gave me kind of helped to boost my confidence.
As for Chinese, as for French, right now I don't really have that much time, and honestly, I kind of like put it on the back burner because I realized that it's not my main priority right now.
What does she mean here? She is interested in French food, not working on her French now, studying French every day.
Like if I feel like it, I can do a little bit of French, maybe like listen to a French song or like, I don't know. But usually right now I don't practice French that much. As for Chinese, it's something that I have to do to graduate. So obviously I have to read a lot. Like in my program, we really have to be able to read like complicated texts in Chinese. So this is what I try to focus all my attention on.
I'd be curious too, how did you do that at the start? You said you used to go to language clubs. Were there other things that you did to kind of create your tribe of English learners or people who got you on that?
It was only when I moved to Moscow, like 5 years ago. But first, when I was still in middle school or in high school, it was really hard for me because I was trying to learn English. I was like constantly doing something, and a lot of my classmates didn't really understand me. They were like, why you're studying? Like, you should go party and not study. And I just really liked it. I was like, but guys, it's so fun, you know? You can watch so many things in English instead of like dubbed in Russian. And so they didn't understand me. And at first, it really hurt me because I was a teenager. I was like, oh my God, I don't have any friends. No one understands me. But then when I moved to Moscow, I realized that like happiness is in my hands, right? I should do something about it. I shouldn't wait for other people to bring me joy or happiness or understand me. So I was like, okay, I need to find like a group of like-minded friends.
Choose the wrong option. Like-minded refers to a person or group of people you share interests with, that like languages, that like the same things as you.
And then this is when I was starting to look for English speaking clubs. And actually, we have one in my university. It was completely free. So if you're a student, you can go there. It's completely free. You can talk to people in English, and I just enjoyed so much because all of the people who came there, they loved English and they understood me. So yeah, it was really something that helped me boost my confidence.
What's a synonym of to boost? Discover, deteriorate, increase. Veronica is setting a great example for you on how to not give up, to overcome your shyness, and to speak confidently. I highly recommend that you check out and subscribe to her channel, which we've linked down in the description. And if you want even more with Veronica, then be sure to listen to the full interview or watch another video we've made with her over on our Real Life English channel, where you can learn her rules for fluency. Let's watch a clip from that.
If you learn English, you should understand why you want to learn English. Because I feel like a lot of students are really too hard on themselves, are being too hard on themselves because they feel like they have to be advanced. If they're not advanced, they're like failures, they're losers. And I don't think it's true because, for example, a lot of us don't really need English for work or for studying at a university, right?